Hi, my name is Divya, and I'm a rising junior at American High School. My starter project is an RGB Nightlight, which I chose because I thought it'd be a good introduction to Arduino, and it just seemed really interesting. So this is the potentiometer, an LED light, and a photoresistor. And when you put your finger on the photoresistor, it turns the LED light on here, and when you take it off, it turns back off. And the potentiometer, when you twist the potentiometer, it changes the color of the LED light. And then, so basically, the um, the photoresistor depends on the light around it. So if there's more light around the photoresistor, the resistance in it goes up, and if there's less light, the resistance goes down. So the Arduino program is written so that if the resistance goes down, the LED light switches on. So that's why when you put your finger over it or cover it with something, the light around it goes down and the LED light turns on. So this potentiometer is a variable resistor which has different threshold values, and when you put different analog inputs into the threshold values, the color can change depending on where the arrow is pointing in the potentiometer. So different sections of the circle display different colors when you turn it around. So it can be red, green, blue, or anything in between those colors depending on what values you input. So what I learned from this was that this Arduino microcontroller can take analog inputs and produce a physical output such as this LED light. And I also learned that how a potentiometer and a photoresistor work and how they can work together to produce an output. So one of the struggles I faced was that in the beginning I had to use a breadboard to connect all of these wires and stuff, but the breadboard was too small in the beginning, so I couldn't match up the connections to the image in the instructions. But I just solved it by getting a bigger and more well-fit breadboard so that I could match up the connections and wire this easier. And up next, I'll be presenting my main project, which is a video game emulator using RetroPie. Thank you.